Hello children. Exercise 4.3 chapter number 4 quadratic equation. Okay. So few questions, that is question number 1 we have discussed in my previous video, and the second question is similar to question number 1, and question number 3 is the simple factorization, so that you can do. So let us start from question number 4. Question number 4 says the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. So let the present age of Rahman is equals to x years, and his age 3 years ago is x minus 3 years ago, that means 3 years before, and his age 5 years from now, that is 5 after 5 years, is x plus 5 years. So according to the given condition in the question, the reciprocal of 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 3. Now we will solve it taking LCM over here. So x plus 5 will go here, x minus 3 will go here, and 1 upon 3. So x plus 5 into x minus 5 is equals to 3 into 2x plus 2, 2x x plus x 2, and 5 minus 3 is 2. And now after solving the both hand sides, we will get x square minus 4x minus 21 is equals to 0. So x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21. This is the factors of 21, so that we can get after subtraction minus 4. Minus 7x plus 3x minus 4 we get. Then taking x common, x minus 7 here, and then plus 3 as common, then x minus 7 here again. So x minus 7 is the common, x plus 3 here, which is equals to 0. So x minus 7 is also 0, is equals to 0, x minus 3 is also equals to 0. So x equals to 7 and x equals to minus 3 we will get as the values of x. Two values. Now age cannot be negative, so x cannot be equal to minus 3. That means the present age of the Rahman cannot be negative, that is minus 3. So present age of Rahman will be 7 years. Okay. So according to the question, we can solve the these questions we can solve. Now question number 5. Question number 5 says, in a class test, sum of the Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. She has got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. The product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. Okay, so this is the condition. So here let the marks of Shefali in mathematics be x, and so the marks of Shefali in English will be 30 minus x. Why? Because sum of her marks in both mathematics and English is 30. So if is one in one subject is x, so and in another subject will be 30 minus x. Now according to the given condition, she have got 2 marks more in mathematics, that is x plus 2 it will become, and 20 minus 7x, since it is marks in English is 30 minus x. So she have got 3 marks less in English. So 30 minus 3 is 27. So this number have become 27 minus x. And since the product of their marks would have been 210, so this is the condition according to the question. So after multiplying both binomials, we'll get this one, and then taking this negative common, this x square minus 25 plus 156 is equals to 0. Then x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 will take, if we'll take the factors of 156 and rearrange it, we will get minus 13 and minus 12. So to add to get minus 25 here. So taking x as common, x minus 13 and then minus 12 is common, so x minus 13 is equals to 0. Okay, so x minus 13 we will take common and x minus 12 will be like this, is equals to 0. So here x minus 13 is also equals to 0 and x minus 12 is also equals to 0. So x minus 13 and x equals to 12, 2 values of x we have got. So we have got 2 cases when x equals to 13, her marks will be in maths, it will be 13. And English, since 30 minus x, so 13 minus 13 will be 17. Here when x equals to 12, her marks in maths will be 12, because the marks of Shefali in maths we have considered as x. So in maths she will get 12, and her English marks will be 30 minus x, that is 30 minus 12 is 18. So here are the two solutions of exercise 4.3. The other solutions we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.